Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time, by request, we're going to go through God is Doing Something Wonderful in Me, as recorded by Carn. This song was recorded in the key of F sharp. Okay, it's a fairly simple song. It's really one main progression to understand here. So let's start off with the intro. Okay, so the first two chords, it's an F sharp major 9, which, to think of it, you can think of an F sharp chord with a D flat chord put together. Then you can spread out and play different versions. Play your D flat on your right hand, play your F sharp in the left hand. Then the D flat 9 sus4 is a B major chord with D flat in the bass. So therefore you can switch it up to however you're comfortable. If you have large hands, you can do a spread here, or you can play it together. Okay, in the first verse, God is doing something wonderful in me. God is doing something wonderful. Now watch this. In me. Something awesome and incredible, something he can get the glory of. God is doing something wonderful, marvelous, incredible. He's doing something wonderful in me. Okay, so you're going to be playing the progression here. Then you drop down, F sharp chord, F chord, E chord, but then you play the bass here, makes it a D flat minor 7, F sharp 9, then B flat 7 sharp 5, then it's a sharp 9, something awesome, B major 7, and incredible. That's an F sharp, add 2, which think of just playing an F sharp chord over B flat. You can add the A flat note to make it add 2. And then something F9 sus4. It's a C minor 7 on top of F7. Something he can get. B flat 7 sharp 5. The glory. E flat minor, and notice how I'm keeping the melody on top. Glory of God is. Now that's like a B minor over D. God is doing F sharp over D flat. Something wonderful. Okay, that's a D flat 9 sus again. Now this is a D flat 7 over B. F sharp over B flat. It's E flat minor. A flat minor 7. Now this, think of this one, you think of playing an F major chord over A, but you're going to play the F sharp instead of the F. And that gives you this nice F sharp diminished major 7. Okay? Is doing something wonderful in me. Okay, and that's almost the whole song. So let's play it a little bit faster in tempo. God is doing something wonderful in me. God is doing something wonderful in me. Something great and incredible, something he can get the glory of. He's doing something wonderful, marvelous, incredible. Okay, let's break it down one more time. Da, 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 da. Okay, and that's pretty much the whole song. Except for at minute 2, second 57, they do something here. Wonderful. Something marvelous. Okay, so a B major 9. Na, na, na. To A flat minor 9. Then we're going to play this here. It's F9 sus4. To the E flat major over G, add 2. D flat minor 9. So the F sharp 9, 13. Then let's go to a 2-5. A flat minor. And that's the whole song. Alright, that was God is Doing Something Wonderful in Me by Carn. Hey, thank you guys so much for all of the comments, likes, and subscriptions. And if you'd like to see a tutorial up there of your choice, please send in a donation. I've got the links in the bio and the video description. Alright, until next time, take care and God bless.